So guys, it's Kondipress here again. Welcome back. Let's continue designing our website. So I think we have reached this section. This is the section we are. So now what I do is that I open like 3 tabs. I open a tab for admin panel where I have access to my admin, and I open a tab for where I display and check the website, and I open a tab where I edit the website. So just open a new tab. This will open the tag div composer for us to modify our website. So this is the tag div composer. Now in the tag div composer, I realized that I've not explained most of the tools and how you can use it. So from the tag div composer now, at the top here you can add an element. If you click on it, there are different type of elements, just like I've been adding before. You can select and you can search for the element. You can search for blog. It depends on what you want to use. If you want to insert an image, you can search for image. There are many of elements that is available there. So in the cloud, which is they have their library that you can have access to. If you want to install something in their library, this will load their cloud template that is available for you to use, and you can use it if you want. See, there are different templates that is available here. So that is that about their cloud. I don't want to use any element in their cloud. So if you want to, you just click on it. This will automatically bring the template to your website, which is for their cloud. And I don't need their cloud. And this manager, that's where you manage your header and your footer. You understand? This way you can modify it, you can design it, you can choose a header and a footer for your mobile devices. You can modify it to anyone that you like. The one that the logo will be in the middle, or the one that the logo will be in the left. So there are different ways you can modify your header here. So the same thing, this view, this way you can see the preview of the website. If you click on it, this will open the preview for you to view it. This way you can save your changes that you make in the website, and this close, that's where you can close the tag div editor and exit from it. So coming down here in the bottom, this place now, this will hide the sidebar. If you click here, this will hide the sidebar, and the example now I click is hide already. You can bring it back. So this one, this icon will enable scroll in the right sidebar. By default now, see, I can't scroll in this side, I can't scroll in the left side, but if I click on it, I'll be able to scroll. Yeah, this enables scroll, and this is undo. If you do something, just like Ctrl Z, this is redo. This way you can add CSS to the code. If you want to add CSS to some part of your live CSS editor and add something and be seeing the changes. This way you can modify your menu. Yeah, this menu setting where you can select menu, different menu that is available. You must have you must have choose those menu in the menu section, which I'm going to talk about later. So I think that's about tag div editor. If you don't select any element, the tag div editor welcome page is it. So you can add elements here, you can load templates, you can visit manager, load template is just the same thing as the cloud, where you can see different templates that is available. So now let's just continue our development. So I want to any design that we don't like, we just have to delete it like this. It's not part of our design that we want, so just delete this. According to the Ninja loaded that we are model, this type of design is not there. Don't worry, just leave it empty column. It's not going to display in the website. The same thing. Let me scroll down. Okay, I don't want something like this too. Okay, here let me just add another element. I think I want post loop element. So just if you search it, just click and drag post loop element, and I think I like it and I want it to be part of our design. So I want to modify the layout. So under general section, custom title, I'll just make it like trending, and color 15. Header, this is the header I like to use. Is header 15. So I can easily modify the color here. If I want the color to be, I think I'll just leave it to this black. You can modify it to anyone that you want. And when you scroll down, okay, the post 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just limit the number of the posts. I don't want many posts. Number of posts, I just want something like. So any other one after trending post, this post, or it's like latest article, I don't want it, I'll delete it. I don't want any other one below it. This will be my last section, so I'll delete anyone that's below or after. So like, okay, let me just save changes. And to the other tab I open to display, so just delete cache to reload the website. These are it look like before. So after reloading, this one I'll delete. So let's just work on this footer, and let's work on the footer and change all the copyrights. So from the design, scroll down. This footer, I want footer in 3. I think usually they have 3 footer, 3 section, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I will just change this our footer now. So I like this 3 section. I will change it to the 3 section, and then yeah. So let me just delete this and this. What I will do is that in the menu section I'll have to go and design all the menu that we're going to put in the footer. We have to design it and put it there, just like they have their menu below. I will just leave this empty for now. So if you check the gallery, they have all this menu that you can click on. So I will make our own in our website too, but for now I'll just leave this empty. So let's just edit, and it's open in this side. In the description section, I'll just delete copyright. Yeah, Ninja news copyright. Ninja. And I'm now write alright reserve, right? So let me say okay, Ninja with the DA alright reserve. Okay, so dash 2015 all right reserve. So Ninja news alright reserve. So I'll just save this. I'll modify this menu later. So let me review our website. Yeah, if you see the footer now, all the footer before I've deleted. So we only have the alright reserve, and we only have the alright reserve by this. So this image, I don't like it. I'll just delete the image and have plain color there, plain color. So let me just go back to our editor, and so just click on the role background and move to CSS, and you now see background image. So just remove it. You don't want this background image again. And what I want to do is I just want to put the plain black color. So I'll just put a plain black color and save everything. So the background color is black already. All these websites, you can easily build any of all these websites. like for example, Channel TV website, you can do something related like that with these templates. It's easy, they have the same, almost the same design, the same thing. Punch newspaper website, you can do something related like that. So it depends on what you want to build or your goal. With this thing, you can build any news related website. This Punch newspaper, you can build a website that looks like that. So with this thing, you are good to go. For now, let's just pause here. Next section, we are going to do some other stuff and continue our development. Thank you.